Hello there, welcome back to my channel. If you are a new viewer, please subscribe so that you can notify whenever I upload new videos. If you're a returning subscriber, please kindly stick to the end and hit the like button if you find the content of this video to be useful. Thank you for subscribing. And so in today's video, I will be showing you how you can mirror images in Python. So we'll be needing two packages to do this. We'll be needing the Pure. I'm not pretty sure whether I've installed it already. We'll see. And so to load Pure, you just have to do from Pure. These are all capital letters. Just tell it to import Pure. You just import image on this. And if you run this, okay, I already have that. Just wanted to double check. We also want something to, you can also just use Pure to read and do whatever. So let's just try to do that instead, okay? So let's stick with one. I wanted to use Matplotlib to show the image, but we may succeed using Pure. I'm not very familiar with Pure. I'm more of a fan of PLT, okay? And so our main image, let's load it. And we could do that by just doing image is equal to, we could do this image that we loaded, image, I will provide a path. The path is, it's in my folder called image, and the image is pen.jpg. If we do that, okay, it complained. Oh sorry, we needed to do image.open because we're opening the image. If we run that, now we have this image again. You could double check that by doing that. It should print a bunch of numbers, which are the intensities corresponding to the, okay, it just printed the image itself, which is good. That's great. So it just loaded the image. That's the image. It's already snipping. Just kidding. We could just, let me just try to do that. I think it doesn't have that attribute. It's only not uploaded. I was just looking for a hack. Okay, so now if I rotate the image, we just do the mirror. So in this case, for mirror, I need to be looking up. So our mirror image, let's just call it mirror image, would be equal to our image that we just loaded, and we'll just do dot transpose. So transpose, we're just passing the direction to which we want to flip. So let's just do the flip left right. So we could do right left, but let's do left right, okay? And they're all capital letters. So if we run that now, we have this. We could check what is in that stuff. I should have just left the previous image that I had earlier. It will take some time for it to show. So now it has flipped compared to like what we had before. Let me just show you that again. So this is how it was before. Here I'm looking down. Here I should be looking. Here I'm looking down. Okay, it just flipped left right. I think it's an up down probably. Let's try another one. Maybe if I do, I'm not sure. It didn't suggest, so we might not have that. Okay, we don't have up down. Well, so you just have to have your image to be already rotated in a proper way if you want to flip the left and right. So it basically flipped what was on the left to the right and what was on the right to the left. So that's why my head is on this side here and my head is on this other. So that's what I wanted to show you in this video, is how to use this function to flip your images. So we succeeded in that, and thank you for sticking by up to this point. In my next video, I want to make a longer video that will get to explain how to use almost all the functions you need for doing computer vision project. Thank you again, and bye. See you in my next video.